Hello and welcome to this video tutorial hosted by Adam Wignall of Strawberry 7. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to access LGFL emails. To start, open a web browser such as Safari or Google Chrome and go to mail.lgflmail.org. Sign in using your LGFL credentials. Here you'll be able to read, respond and compose all of your emails. If you'd like to open a shared mailbox, click on your name on the top right hand corner and select Open Another Mailbox. Type in the email address and click on Open. If you try to open a shared mailbox which you do not have permission to open, you'll get this error sign. If you open a shared mailbox which you do have permission to access, it will open. Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.